Good afternoon, everyone. We will begin the day with a prayer. I want everyone to sit in a prayerful posture. Dear God, we praise and thank you. Now all sit in a prayerful posture first, bache. We'll begin the day with a prayer. Good. You can on your video, Japni. I will see, bache. First, all sit in a prayerful posture. We'll begin the day with a prayer. Dear God, we praise and thank you for the beautiful day you have given us. Keep us safe from all harm and danger. Supriya, sit straight, beta, for the prayer. Vidhi also. All sit straight for the prayer. Keep us safe from all harm and danger. Help us to understand what is taught today so that whatever topics are there, we are able to understand. Dear God, we need your blessings. Keep your loving hand on each one of us. Now all will say the universal prayer. Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom comes. Your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. Do not bring us to test, but deliver us from evil. Amen. Supriya, you will not attend for the prayer, bache. When the prayer is going on, all have to sit in a prayerful posture. Okay, I'll share my screen with you. Okay, Paranika, I have seen bache. Okay, some students were saying that they have not concepts are not clear about the yesterday topic also. So says yesterday we have started with the chapter light. In that first we have done about the natural light sources, in which we said the natural sources are that sources which gives us light. So in that we have done about the sun which gives us light naturally. Then we have told about the stars, but the moon does not have its own light, it takes the light from the sun. As well as some living organisms also give light. Firefly, jellyfish, glowworm. Lightning takes place when the volcano erupt. That time also it is a natural source. Okay, 1 minute. Navneet, unmute yourself. Navneet. Faster, beta. At once you have to do this.
Yes,
Okay, Navanya.
yes, ma'am.
Navneet,
Yes,
Navanya.
ma'am.
Good. Mm. Gungun, unmute yourself. Faster,
Yes, ma'am.
faster. Okay, fine. Wait a minute. I will unmute two participants. Japneet, unmute yourself. Japneet,
Yes, ma'am.
good. Today, why students are very less in the class? What happened? Got tired from the studies? Paranika, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Supriya, unmute yourself.
Yes,
Supriya.
ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, I have unmuted many participants now. So yesterday we have done about natural sources. Now again I'm going to the next topic now. Artificial sources. This also we have done yesterday. When we get light artificially, they are not making their own light. They take the light from the others. So that in that we have done about the candle, incandescent lamp, in which they produce us heat when it is at the high temperature. Okay, neon lamps. When you go at night on the road, you see they have painted few marks there, and when the light of the vehicle falls on that, you are able to see the partition of the road. That is the neon light. So one student was saying that she was not able to understand. Third topic which we have discussed yesterday was luminous. Luminous means which gives us light. That is known as luminous. Sun is the example. Star, torch, candle, filament of a bulb, hot red iron. Iron जिसे प्रेस करते हैं बच्चे, and fireflies are the जुगनूस. Non-luminous हो गए which does not give us any light. Then we can talk about moon. Earth and the other planets, paper, tree, they do not produce any light. Okay, then we have done transparent, translucent, and opaque. Who's the first participant?
Ma'am,
Ma'am
Navneet.
Navneet.
Okay, Navneet. Can you tell me the difference between
Yes.
transparent, translucent, and opaque? See the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
See the screen. Are you able to see my
Yes,
screen?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What difference is given there? Definition of what is given?
Materials can be classified based on the amount of light they transmit. Materials which allow complete transmission of light are called transparent. Any object can be seen through a transparent material. One example of transparent material is pure glass.
Can you tell me,
Opaque
बच्चे now
materials.
listen, Navneet. Can you tell me what you understood from this transparent material definition?
Yes, ma'am.
बच्चे, what do you understood from this definition? Transparent
Ma'am,
material.
transparent. Ma'am, they're saying that transparent means that the object that which we can allow complete light transmission of light.
Yes. Good. Okay, who is the next participant after Navneet?
Ma'am,
Navanya?
me. Yes,
Navanya?
ma'am.
Okay, Navanya. Start from opaque materials.
Opaque materials either reflect or absorb any Asian light. As a result,
Incident.
light
Listen to me,
rays
Navanya.
can
Navanya, this is, listen to me, see my cursor. Incident. Say incident.
incident.
Where the light falls, that is known as incident. Okay. As a result, say now
As a
beta from
result,
here.
as a result, light rays cannot pass through opaque material. Wood, stone, etc. are opaque material.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, fine. So what can you tell me in your own language? What do you understand from opaque materials?
Ma'am, it means that ma'am, where where small light passes. For example, in
Bache, where
translate
light
in
cannot pass at all. Like you are sitting in one room and you are having a wall and you want to see in the other room. You will not able to see. Why? Because wall is an opaque object from where we cannot see the other side. Understood? From where light cannot pass at all, that is known as opaque material. Agar a piece of wood is door is there, from the door, from inside you cannot see outside. So they are known as opaque materials. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, after Navanya, who is there? Next participant. Next participant.
Ma'am,
Gungun.
Okay, Gungun. Next one, please
Yes,
read.
ma'am.
Next one you
Yes,
read.
ma'am. Translucent. Yes, ma'am.
Translucent.
Translucent. Translucent materials allow particles transmission of
Partial.
light
Bache.
through them.
Listen. Partial. Say the word.
Partial.
Partial means
Partial transmission of light through them. A part of object seen through a
Bache,
translucent
listen.
mat-
A part of the incident light. We have left one line in between. A part.
Okay, ma'am. Apart from the incident, light may get reflected or scattered as it passes through the interior of material. Any object seen through a translucent material appears fuzzy or blurred.
Third.
Some examples are oily paper, tissue, some plastics, etc.
Can you tell me the definition in your own words? What is translucent material?
Ma'am, translucent materials means some of the particles of light barely passes through them.
Yes, very less light is passed. You have seen the butter paper. When you eat the butter and you hold the
Ma'am.
paper in your hand, you are not able to see clearly. So that is
Yes, ma'am.
translucent material. As well as tissues, what we are using. If we'll open the tissue paper full and want to see behind what is there, we will not able to see clearly. As well as some plastics
Yes,
also.
ma'am.
Okay, fine, beta. Next participant, who is the next participant?
Ma'am, Japneet.
Okay, Japneet. I have shared my another screen with you. Are you able to see that screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So the first topic is given, sentence is given about shadows and the images. So I want everyone to take out page number 159 of your book. On that page number 159, on the right side, you are able to see the shadows, which you are able to make with your hand. Whenever you are sitting idle, most of you are making that shadow, that hand movement of your hands, so that you are able to make different, you want to make the shape of the butterfly, dog, and deer. So you are able to make with your fingers. Yes, good. With the Samvedna also, these pictures. So you can try at home also. You can make these very easily. Okay, Japneet, start from the first line.
Shadows are black, whereas images are colorful. Shadows of objects placed in the sun change in length with the position of the sun through the day. Your shadow will be the longest at dawn and dusk, whereas it will be at the shortest at noon. An image is an image in a plane mirror doesn't change its size at all. It is always the same size as that of the object. An image in a mirror can be seen without a screen, whereas it is mandatory to
Yes, it is
have a
correct.
screen to form a shadow.
Good. So what are shadows? Shadows when we stand in front of the sun or when we are standing in the bright sunlight, what you see? You see your own black type of look there. Okay. So that is known as shadow. And when you see the mirror, you see your exact look, what type of dress you are wearing, how you are looking, how your face is looking. So exactly it looks. Who is speaking, bache? Who is speaking? Somebody is speaking. Whispering, and that whispering I'm able to hear. Don't speak, beta. Listen. Okay. So shadows are black. Whenever we see our shadows, to every time black in color only. Whether we are wearing any type of colorful dress. But when we see our image in the mirror, image means whatever resemblance we are having, look we are having, we are able to see same what type of color we are wearing. So that is known as image. Okay. Then it is given. Then what it is given here, shadow of the object placed in the sun changes its length. Whenever we keep any object in the sun, the length and the position of that thing changes. Our shadow, it is written, your shadow will be at its longest at dawn and dusk. Do you know the meaning of dawn? That is before sunrise. Dusk, dawn is before sunrise. So you are able to see your shadow. And when in the noon, that means in the afternoon, when you will see, then your shadow will become very short, shortest. Then they are saying an image in a plane mirror doesn't change in size. When you see yourself in front of the mirror, your image, your size and shape does not change. How you are looking, that same you are able to see the same size in the mirror. An image in a mirror can be seen without a screen. आपको screen की जरूरत नहीं है. As you are looking, same you can see in front of the mirror. Whereas it is mandatory to have a screen to form a shadow. Shadow के लिए हमें screen चाहिए. Like one example is given here. Did you understand now? Come to page number 161 of your book. I want everyone to take out page number 161.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Supriya, you got the chance to speak?
No, ma'am.
Okay, now is your turn. Wait a minute. Hina? 1 minute, 1 minute. Hina, also unmute yourself. Hina?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. I will see which the girls did not get chance in the previous class. Na? I will give them chance. One child has come with Papa's name, Manav Kajuria. That child, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Suhavi, unmute yourself. Faster, bache Suhavi. You have to do it faster. Very good. Vidhi Kajuria, unmute yourself. Good. So I have unmuted many participants.
I'm unmuted.
Okay, beta. So you open your book from page number 161. I want everyone to open your book. 161 page. On the left side, topic of image and shadow is given.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so down you are able to see there are some differences between shadows and image. Let us understand these. Are you able to see that paragraph? Left side, the last paragraph, and 4
Yes,
points are
ma'am.
given. Okay, who has to read? Supriya has to read.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
Parinika.
Okay, first Parinika, then Supriya. Okay, Parinika, read the first point.
Okay, ma'am. An image formed in a plane mirror is of the same size as the object, whereas a shadow may be bigger or smaller than the object.
Yes, so whatever image we are seeing in front of mirror, it is same exactly how we are looking. But the shadow is sometimes big or sometimes small. It depends upon the sun. Morning, evening, afternoon. Okay. Now, Supriya, you say the second point.
an image formed is of the same color as the object, while shadow is always of black color.
Yes, image will be of different colors. As we are looking in front of the mirror, what type of dress we are wearing, it will look like that. But the shadow is always black in color. Good. After Supriya, who is there, bache? Next participant.
Mama Ashley.
Ashley is there. Okay, Ashley. Third point.
An image shows all the details of the object and shape, while shadow shows only shape.
Yes, when the image is there, our look is there. We can see each and everything in our arms, hands, what type of dress we are wearing, how my face is looking, how my hairs are there, whether I have combed it properly or not. We can see everything. But when we see the shadow, we can see only the shape of a body. The parts which are there, we are not able to see them clearly. Okay, Ashley. After Ashley, who is there?
Ma'am, Hina. Ma'am, Hina.
Hina. Okay, Hina. Fourth point.
An image is formed when light from the object reaches our eyes after reflection from the plane mirror. A
Yes.
shadow is an area where no light falls, therefore it is black.
So image is formed when the light from the object, when you imagine you stand in front of a mirror and you keep the dark room, you will not be able to see your image. You will also see the darkness there. So whenever there is light and that light reflected back, then only we are able to see the image in the mirror. And shadow every time is black, है ना? Because when we are standing in front of the sun also, back also shadow is black. Good bache. Now after Hina, who is there?
Ma'am Suhavi.
Okay, Suhavi, just give me a second, bache. Give me a second so that I am able to share the next one. One minute. Okay, I will stop sharing my screen. We'll come to the whiteboard. 1 minute. Give me a second, beta, so that I will on the whiteboard. So now when we will come to the whiteboard, now we will discuss about one very important topic. First is given the reflection of light. Are you able to see the right side? 161, reflection of light.
Yes.
I am writing on the whiteboard. Reflection of light, and when the next class will be there, I will share this picture also. What is the meaning? What is the diagram given here? The diagram is given on the page number 162 of your book. 162 of your book. Are you able to see the reflection picture there? They have
Yes,
taken a
ma'am.
plane here. From one
Yes,
side the
ma'am.
light is falling. From other side we are seeing, so it is reflected back, and the center is known as normal. So in this, 3 words are very important. One is 1 minute. I will write it here. INCIDENT. Incident ray. Okay. Second one will be REFLECTED. Reflected ray. And the third one, very important, is NORMAL. Normal. Okay. Next participant, Shravi.
Yes, ma'am.
Such a disturbance should not be there. I will mute all the participants. Disturbance will be there. Vidhi, from your side. Disturbance is there, bache.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of erect?
Erect means straight. Erect means straight. It is written here in the image formed by the plane mirror. Image is erect. Erect means straight and the same size as the object. How we are looking, same we can see ourselves in the plane mirror. It is virtual and literal image. Whatever we are looking, we look like that only. It is formed as far behind the mirror as the object is in front of it. Who has gone some disturbance there? I have to find out.
Ma'am,
Bhavi, Veche, from your side disturbance is coming.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell your parents.
Ma'am, later, so ma'am, sorry, ma'am, the aeroplane was. Ma'am,
Okay.
the sound was of aeroplane.
Okay, fine. Still some disturbance is coming of the TV or something. Okay, so Avi, come to page number 161.
Yes.
Right side, reflection of light.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the sentence. What is written there?
Okay, ma'am. When light falls on a smooth, polished surface, it bounces back. This bouncing back effect of light is known as reflection of light.
Okay,
The
wait,
reflection
wait,
of light occurs.
Wait now. So what is it means when we see ourselves in the mirror? Behind surface is the polish. देखो कभी भी आपको शीशे को देखोगे ना कि both the sides are simple. What happened? संवेदना बच्चे सीधा बैठो, sit straight. You are not listening to me. You are looking somewhere else. All listen to me carefully, beta. These are the new topics and they are very important for you to understand. You have to understand these topics. All have to listen to me, beta. So what is reflection of light? Whenever we see a mirror and both the sides, if both the sides are like a mirror, we can take the example of a piece of glass. ग्लास देखते हो, दोनों साइड आप देख सकते हो ना बेटा, तो उसमें आपको रियल इमेज of yourself you are not able to see. So behind surface has to be polished, then only you will see the image in the mirror. Same way when you are having mirror at home, you see your image. Behind part is polished, वो cover होगा और front part आपका mirror की तरह होगा, तभी आप देख सकते हो mirror में. Otherwise you will not able to see the real image of yourself. Okay. After Suhavi, who is there?
Ma'am, Vidhi.
Okay, Vidhi. Now you read from here. The reflection of light occurs.
The reflection of light occurs according to two laws called the first and second law of reflection.
Okay, say the first law of reflection. Read the first law of reflection.
First law of reflection. The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection.
Okay, wait now. Any other participant who is remaining now who has not read?
No, ma'am.
Okay, Maureen, unmute yourself. Maureen, unmute yourself. Faster, bache, we don't have time. Time is running. Akshara. These students are just in the class and they don't unmute. Jagriti. Argun. I'm giving them permission. Gayatri. Hello. Don't speak in between. Jessica Kaur. Okay, I'm muting all the participants and then I will unmute the others. Jessica is not unmuting. Javish. Javish, unmute yourself. I will not, next time I will not give them chance to speak. Pujnik, unmute yourself. Pujnik.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ridhima Sharma. Ridhima Sharma. 1 minute. I have seen Neha Bau now only and her name is not coming. Okay. Neha Bau, unmute yourself. Neha Bau.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Good. Those who are in the class, attentive in the class, they will unmute. And those who are not listening to ma'am, how they will unmute themselves? Anasvi Kerni. Unmute yourself. Faster, faster.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Dhanushri. Unmute
Yes,
बच्चे.
ma'am.
Good, good.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Bhumika Saval. Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I have unmuted 4 to 5 participants now. Now the first participant, please say your name.
Ma'am, Neha.
1 minute. Pujnik was there, I think so. First one. Pujnik, are you able
Yes,
to see
ma'am.
the screen whiteboard which I have shared?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the topic written there?
Reflection of light.
And what is the first topic which I have shared there? After reflection?
In
Incident.
incident ray.
The second one.
Reflected ray.
And the third one? Normal. Okay. Now come to book page number 161. Pujnik. Right side, first law of reflection is given. Are you able to see the first law of reflection? I am speaking to you, bache. Supriya is sitting on the floor of the house, I think so. Okay. The next participant. Say your name.
Yes, ma'am.
Your
I'm
name.
Neha.
Okay, Neha. From 161 page, say the first law of reflection.
When light falls on a smooth
Bache, I am
polished
saying
surface,
first law of reflection. See right side. Wahan likha first law of reflection. It's written there.
yes, ma'am.
Read from
Yes,
there.
ma'am. The right angle of
The
incidence
angle
is
of where are
equal.
you, what you are reading, bache? The angle of incidence. Read from here.
Yes, ma'am. I'm reading from there.
The right angle you are reading. It's the angle. Read.
The angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection.
Yes. So
Second
what is
law of
the law of
reflection.
reflection? This incident ray is always equal to reflected ray. See the picture given here on page number 162. You are able to see one mirror down there. Supriya, bache, off your video. Off your video. So plane mirror is there down, and when the light falls on the mirror, it is reflected back. So incident ray and reflected ray are every time same. Good. Fine. Okay. After Neha, who is the other participant?
Ma'am, I am Bhumika.
Okay, Bhumika, say the second law of reflection.
Ma'am, 162 page number na?
161, bache. 161 right side. Second law of reflection.
The incident ray, the normal at the point of incidence, and the reflected ray all lie in the same line.
All lie, L-I-E, lie, not lie. All lie on the
Okay.
same plane. See the picture on page number, see the diagram on page number 162. All of you take out 162 page of the book. They are saying incident ray is always equal to reflected ray. This is the first law. Second law is see three lines on the mirror. Incident ray, reflected ray, normal. All three lines are on one line only. So that means the incident ray, reflected ray, and normal all lie on the same plane. Same plane means all lie on one mirror only. So these are two laws of reflection. Understood, everyone?
Yes,
Clear to
ma'am.
all? Okay, who's the
Yes,
next
ma'am.
participant?
Ma'am, Manasvi.
Huh?
Ma'am, Manasvi.
Manasvi. Okay.
Ma'am, Manasvi.
Anasvi. Okay, Anasvi, just wait for a minute. Satvinder, you also unmute yourself. She's not unmuting. Okay, Anasvi, can you tell me the two laws of reflection? See the book and then you tell
Yes.
me the two laws of
Ma'am,
reflection.
first law of reflection, the angle of incidence is equal to the angle of reflection. Second
Okay.
law of reflection, the incident ray, the normal at the point of incidence, and the reflected ray all lie in the same line.
Okay, Dhanushri is saying unmute me. Let me see what she wants to speak. Okay, Dhanushri, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but I called your name that time. You did not unmuted yourself.
Ma'am, by mistake.
Okay, fine. Did you understand about the images and shadows?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me any one point of the images and shadows?
Yes, ma'am.
Say, beta.
Ma'am, reflect. Ma'am.
It is on 161 page, left side. 1, 2, 3, 4 points are given. Last paragraph. Did you get that? Again, she has muted herself. Okay, Samvedna, unmute yourself. Samvedna, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Bache, can you give me any one point of image and the shadow? See the book, page number 161. Left side. Last paragraph, 1, 2, 3, 4 points are given. Yes, bache?
Yes, ma'am.
Haan.
An image formed in a plane mirror is of same size of the object,
Yes.
whereas a shadow may be bigger or smaller than the object.
Very good.
Then
Very good. Thank you, bache. Thank you. 1 point only asked. Now listen to me carefully, all of you now. Bache, when you are writing the difference in your copy, please, I have taught you how to write. है ना? जब आप ये difference लिखोगे ना copy में, I will send you this answer. What are the differences between shadow and image? Shadow on one side and this one. Let me tell you from here, whiteboard पे. See here, whiteboard, just a second, and then you can all leave the class for a minute. 1 minute. I want to clear this. You have to write here. See here. I will write SHADOW. Shadow I will write, then I will leave place in between, or I can draw the line and then I will write IMAGE, image. Then I will write 1 point, number 1 here, 1 minute, number 1, and then I will start from here, the first answer of the shadow. Shadow, like this is given, or we can write it. It is, this way I will write. And the other point will be opposite to the shadow only, same. Whatever point
Yes,
you want to
ma'am.
write. Now, understanding what I am saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here also you will write number 1 and then you can write the image. It is formed like that way. Understanding what I am saying? Don't copy from the book the paragraph wise. You have to write in the points, one side shadow points, other side image points. I think so it is clear to all. Fine, beta. So I am unmuting all the participants to ask me if you have any doubt. Anybody wants to ask anything? I am unmuted all the participants.
Ma'am, when you
No,
write,
Very good. This girl has shown me the notebook. Very
Thank
good.
you for the
Now
class.
listen.
ma'am.
it's coming, ma'am. Ma'am, thank you for the class.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you for the class, ma'am.
Bye to all. Now all
Thank you
listen
for the class.
carefully. All listen carefully. Maybe you will get the
Bye,
message to come to school or the classes will be there. You will get the message because here you have seen the government notice. So that information will be given to you. Some were asking me for that. Okay. I have unmuted all the participants. Say bye to ma'am.
Bye,
Bye, ma'am.
God bless you.